Alright guys, what's up? We're here. We're going to be driving to Universal today. We're going to give you a construction update. So, without further ado, roll the intro. Alright, so now we're in the park. Avion walked away from us because he doesn't like us.
Like soft penis sex?
He just said, well, alright, so now we're just going to show you some construction. Alright, so Nico's going to show you through an arcade. Ready? Show him what we got over here. Gotta be louder. Cause
got that.
Got that? Okay, you just fucking knocked the camera out of my hand almost. See up there, the light?
Yeah.
That's gonna... No, behind it, the gray thing.
Oh, yeah. We got that.
There's one over there.
We got that. And we got that. And we lost trees. We gained things, we lost trees.
Alright, anything you want to say about it before we move on?
No, that's it. That's all we got.
That's it? Alright, so we got some games setting up over here. And then we have the Ghostbusters facade over here. Well, line. It's going to be right here. And we got these guys hiding from the heat. Over here we have the Star Court Mall food court. And then we got the bars where they got all the drinks and stuff. You know, it's great. Now we're going to walk straight into Zombieland, double tap. Here we got.
This one is with the cat.
Which one? Are they all spit people in those?
This cat right here. This one is just... No. This is zombie with the water effect.
Is it what that is?
I don't know, but you're going to see. You didn't like this door?
Alright, so we have our Horror Nights tribute store every year right there. And then it's possible. Alright, Zombie Kill of the Week, we saw this last week. But you can see they really added more detail and everything here. They added a drop tower behind it. Alright guys, so Yeti, Terror of the Yukon, Yuka is going to be right there in front of Fallon. Us is going to be right here. And Stranger Things is going to be right there. Alright, we got more stuff here at Waylon's. The same shit from last week, but still the same thing. Still the same thing. Alright, Malik's hasn't moved, obviously. And that's it for Zombieland Double Tap. All the beautiful people here. Take them out. Taurus Nico! Alright, we're in Rob Zombie Hellbilly Deluxe. They've added a lot of stuff since last week. Let's go check it out. Alright, so this was just a stage and there was a barrier in front of it, but now there's no barrier. So yeah. There's Avion taking a picture. Look at him go. Wow. Okay. Oh, but yeah, none of this stuff was out here last time we were out here. So, what a beautiful view. What a bunch of beautiful men. And now we're gonna leave Rob Zombie and we're gonna go ride Men in Black. Look at the villains! Look at Gage! Go get him, Gage! Yeah! It's a blessing.
Yeah.
Alright, over here we have the facade from House 1000 still taking shape. We'll look at it again next week though. Let's go ride Men in Black. Alright, we just got off of Men in Black and now over here you're gonna have Depths of Fear, and then on this side you're gonna have Nightingale's Blood Pit. And now after this we're gonna go walk towards the front and go check out Vikings Undead and where the other house locations are. Alright, over here on your left over here on your left it's Universal Monsters, and then over here on your right is going to be Graveyard Games. I hope I got that. I hope I got that. There you go. Alright. And there's a water show too, you know. Also, perfect plug. Halloween Marathon of Mayhem is going to be in that same lagoon. Oh, and this is the big rock I was talking about earlier. And there's Taurus Nico drinking some water. But yeah, I mean, it's cool. And then Lagoon Show. Add Halloween music here and we're good. Alright, and as soon as you leave Biking's Undead, you just tremble right into Mel's Diet. Changes every year. It says driving right there now, but that's not what it is. Sorry about the loud copyrighted music and me possibly yelling. But after you pass Mel's Drive-In, you're going to be going into Vanity Ball, which right now is host to The Simpsons. But it sounds like an amazing thing. They set up some stages. We'll go look at the stages and then we'll go in there. What? So here's Vanity Ball's sign. It's gonna be amazing, man. Can't wait. Look at these beautiful men back here. All right. So beautiful. All right. This is House Metamorph. And then, after you pass all these rungs, I also have no idea what's going on over here and why they have rungs over there, but who knows? And there's Doc. And then we keep walking down the street. And I'm almost at the other stage. We're almost there. And then we got the mystery machine. And then, to cop off the scare zone, we have House Plasmare. Alright, and like you guys know, had to finish this video, same way we finish all of them. Over here, we have Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Now, let's get to that outro. Alright guys, that is everything we needed to see here for Horror Nights Construction Update number 3. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And